Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, bloody hell. There is music, there are girls, there is beer. We're in Britain.
Where's my beer?
You are really shy. You're afraid of looking really silly by screaming because you are not that numerous, right? Oh, most of you are music students. No? Who is not a musician here?
Good.
No. No, you're a singer. You're the musician's best friend. No, that's the drummer, sorry. Anyway, after a drop of that beer, we're going to play another song. I don't have the wah pedal, so we can't play the one we had planned to play. But we can do some African metal. That's a song we haven't played, you know? Sorry? I'm not sure it's my wah, I think it's my keyboards actually. So I don't really know. I don't want to spoil those people's time, so I can do the wah with my voice actually. Sounds almost the same. Anyway, we're gonna play some African metal. I don't agree with this. We're gonna play the end of that song again and we're gonna make some fiction. We're not in Guildford. We're not at the Boiler Room. We are in the stadium of Guildford. That's been named the Boiler Room. Okay? You are not, I don't know, 25 or whatsoever. You are 20,000s. And you just came for us a long way. Across the snow, across the sea, across the ocean. And the ticket was pretty expensive. It was about £200. Alright? And you want to have it for your money, right? So we're gonna play the end of that song again. And please give us all you get if there's something staying. D'accord. Okay, here we go. Fiction. You finally got it! After more than 1 hour of rock and roll! Where are you coming from? England is not what it used to be. We, the French people, used to look at you with bright eyes, thinking that was the land of rock and roll. I want to go across the channel. I want to make my way into the music world. Oh my God. Anyway, we're having a good time with you, and since you're very hot, please give your biggest hands to Mr. Yvan Renier on the bass guitar, please! Ladies and gentlemen, ladies, he's the man that hits it hard. He's Morglbl on the drums! From Greece.
Mr. Christophe Godot, guitar, please!
Come on! That's my job. It's just normal, please. We're almost at the end of that fantastic night, and we would like to thank again Dudley now that he is here. We already did that before, but you were out there and you didn't really care about us. And you will come on stage with us because we have planned with those people to have an encore in the end. So. Okay. Forget what I just said. How much time do we still have? Because the schedule has been a little, changed. About what? 20 minutes. We can play a progressive song. So one song. 10. 10 minutes? No, 20. So the official time is 20, and the management time is 10. We're gonna play a quarter of an hour. Give me something in between. What do you want to play for those fine people? J'ai une idée. Non, bah je peux pas, j'ai pas de... That's a progressive song, sorry. I'm supposed to have a clean sound on the intro, but that doesn't make a big difference. You're not even listening. We're almost done, but you can applause. Ivan is going to check out the problem that he's had. I think at the end of the tour we're going to be playing acoustic. You know, just a microphone in front of each guitar and each bass. That's going to be alright. You know, it's fashionable those days to have a MySpace page and to have a Facebook profile. The next song is called MySpace Book. Bloody hell, we're hilarious. Sometimes I look at myself in the mirror, crack a joke, and I can't believe it. He's the boss. time!
Thank you so much, Mr. Christopher on guitar, please.
Once again, Mr. Ola on the drums. Mr. Morglbl on the bass. That was wonderful. We are very happy to be here. And I hope you had a good time with us. Did you? I can't hear you. Thank you very much. Okay, you just asked for an encore. We're back. No waste of time. The music first, okay? Let's be tight. We're gonna now welcome the guy, thanks to who? No.